bro. Stop. I'm so serious, for real, bro. Stop. Stop.
Give me a card.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone between? It is NeonMUA, and you see these? I want to fix them. So in my journey of impulse buying, I bought this lamination kit for my brows. So like, I'm gonna laminate my brows, cause why not? Why not? Content. Hi, if it's your first time here, hello, welcome. My name is Deon, also known as NeonMUA, also known as Darius, also known as Don't Try Me on the Internet because I will gather you together. I make videos about makeup, sometimes about skincare, a lot of times about social justice issues, things of that nature. If you're interested in watching any of that content, then you know you can, one, like this video, give it a thumbs up because the dolls need the support, just saying. It's Pride Month, this is the time for you to support the dolls. And two, you can subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell as well so that you don't miss the next time I upload. And without further ado, we're going to see me make a mess and ruin my face with this lamination. Let's go. So here's this kit. This is the Elevate the Beauty Eyebrow and Lash Lamination Kit. Honestly, to be completely honest with you, Jackiana made me buy this. I saw her use this on her story. I was like, you know what? Let me just. My brows actually aren't like terrible, if you will. But if you notice, and I'm pretty sure if you like stare at my photos long enough and analyze everything that I do, you can see that this brow in particular is a bit struggle bus. Oh my God! It's not necessarily patchy. It's just that my hair coagulates, migrates all to this one area, and it's impossible to get it to like sit up. So even with like brow gels and brow waxes, things of that nature, this brow always gives me a hard time. The only time that really like my brows listen and do what they're supposed to do is when I use like brow glue, or I have been using, come here, I have been using edge control on my brows recently, and there's just one in particular that I've been standing. So like, I might make a TikTok about it. I don't know. I really do want to see how this works. This is a lamination kit for the brows and lashes. Personally, my lashes are the thing that dreams are made of, so I have no reason to use this on my lashes. Okay, so long story short, after reading the instructions, this is basically a perm kit for your brows and lashes. And when I say perm kit, I mean like, Mom, what's the perm kit that black people use?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Just for kids.
Just for kids.
Black. What is it?
Black African pride, dark and lovely things. That's what the kind of perm kit, not the stuff that your grandmas be using to look like. What's the guy that paints? The white guy that be painting. The white guy, he be painting with a fro. He did. He white. He used to paint. He did. He's a painter. He used to have a show on TV, and he used to paint like scenes and stuff. Unico was him for Snatch Game. Barbara's. Here we go. I'm excited. I'm scared. I'm nervous. You do need saran wrap when you're doing this. Apparently, they don't want to send you saran wrap, so use a cleaning solution number 4. This here to remove the oils, dust, and makeup remnant. Apparently, I'm supposed to use makeup pads to take some stuff off. So let me go get makeup removers. Who is that girl I see standing straight back at me? So we're going to clean the brow with this cleaner solution. Use a clean micro brush, which is these little brushes here, to apply the lift solution. Make sure that the lift solution Covers the eyebrow hairs. Let it set for 7 to 10 minutes. Cover them with plastic wrap. First time using the product, kept on the brows no longer than 6 minutes. Process time must be adjusted based on the softness and hardness of the brows. 7 minutes for soft for blonde hair and 10 minutes for extremely hair. Okay, so I have dark brows, but we're gonna do 10 because I'm a Jew. I don't really care about the simple things and know that I want you.
My ass hurt.
Ensure that solution covers the hairs fully and set for 10 minutes with plastic wrap. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this on for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna come back. So it's in 10 minutes, so I'm going to take this off. And I'm supposed to use a dry makeup pad to remove the solution. Ooh, my brows are soft. Yeah, my brows definitely have a different texture to them now. They haven't fell out yet, so that's good. So now that the brows are like soft, now I have to go in with the fixation number 2. Use another brush and apply it in the desired direction. Cover it with plastic again, 10 more minutes, and then up. Okay, and I'm applying more plastic wrap and making sure that everything lays in the direction that I want it to. I'm gonna let this sit for 10 more minutes and then we are going to be done, I think. So we are done here. We're going to remove this and I'm supposed to remove this again with a Kai. Not to use a mascara one. To apply the nutrition to nourish and stimulate the eyebrows. And then that's it. And that's pretty much it. That's all I had to do. Just apply that. Here's the brow. The brow's looking nice. There will be a before and after so you can see it. This says that I can't get it wet after using, so I'm gonna wash my face later, but it's fine, I guess. I'm also wondering if this is a reusable kit or if I have to toss this because there's a lot of product left. And these were $40, this was a $40 kit, so if I can reuse this, I'm down. All right, you guys, that's the end of this video. I know it's a short one, but hey, shorter content means more content, which means give me monetization. Alright, so before this video ends, this week's Black Beauty Boy shout out goes out to Deon. It's Deon on the socials. I love Deon. Deon's a key. Deon is funny AF and sounds cute. Low-key my baby daddy, but you know it's fine, whatever. We're not gonna talk about that. I feel like you guys see Deon enough on the timeline, but in case you don't, here's his socials. You guys need to follow and do all the things. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And so yeah. Shout out goes to Deon. You're welcome. Answer my text messages. But thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you enjoyed yourself, which I hope I did. I did. But I hope you did as well. If you did, then go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up, like, and support. It means so much. Also, if you want to continue seeing my face on your YouTube feed, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell as well so that you don't miss the next time I upload. Also, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media accounts. That's NeonMUA on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Love to have you guys be a part of the Fireflies family. If you're still here after the giveaway, hi, welcome, what's up? How's it going? I also shop Dust to Dawn. The link will be down below because revolutionary, dust standard. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And until next time, bye.